kuri irumi cia njera-ini favored ni hari undu ungika wi bara ucamanie na mutumia mukuru akurume. And that is why I warn our young ladies, it is dangerous to say my dress my choice. If you want wisdom, know that it is dangerous.
Watu wangu wa power, to my returning subscribers, welcome back. And if you are new here, be part of the team by subscribing, like and share widely. Thank you so much guys for your support to your road to 3K subscribers. Asanteni sana. And guys, the day kugomona Redeemed Gospel Church Nyadhona na tumwake igwade Nyadhona mugakimenya dena Pastor Dan, a teacher of the word of God, na twehaha ugonige that higie mweno ryogiwa spiritually toria damwire ntore murehaga mahida kwa mahida nigetha akorwo agetohegia ona ni ndirathoma na ndirahopo nawe kaundu rathoma ni tondu wa riri kwa ndigwa social media akiuga ati igoro ni kuraihu ati ni kuraihu muno ati bado wafanye tu vitu binguni ni kuererwo naona to memes to
they are there but one thing you cannot ignore is that there is one who gives life and one who takes life. You can't ignore that.
Yeah, so guys,
gaigoro ni kora ihure agirirwo menya terere ni kore mundu kuaga na ndakuaga ni kwenda. It is not a choice. Ni kore uri otekaga, it sucks away the breath. It just takes it away. So you can't say it is really far because the one who is there is always with us.
Yeah,
to give us life and to take it away.
Yeah, so guys, mwana wakimenya wakigwa Pastor Dan wakimenya rimwe nani ndikarago ngamenya maundu ngarigore andi tondu ngithomaga maundu maingi muno ni nyendaga uguo guys, na Ngai akurathimage muno makire na githima kiu gitikana kihwe tondu no akiona turingi hau guys. Turaririo horo wa generational curses. Okorwo ndukirora ki watch part 1 of it, ndako turathomithirio horo thini wa part 1 turathomithirio horo wa background nini ya generation curses na yaumire nao twirwa atiriri guys, kindu gya kumakania yaumire na Ngai mwene niwe waigire atiriri agakinyaniria mawaganu kuri generationals. Yes, na turenda tukao tukiaririo horo mwige haria wa koroge twirorera part 1 yo then ukumenya tukinyire horo wa character na nikio hatu ina Pastor Dan akabo tugeithie nigetha tukorwo tugithie na mbere etokorwo he mundu ingiroro thaicio guo. Yes,
thank you muno.
Yeah,
mwiroreri wakwa ni ndakugeithia njitagwo Dan Kinyanjui wa Muthoni. Karibu sana Redeemed Gospel Church Nyadhona. Huko nikuo tutungataga na tugatungatwo.
Wow.
Yes.
Redeemed Church Nyadhona, Redeemed Gospel Church Nyadhona. Okoragwo guku guo hakuhi no okorwo gioka guku guo kanitha kuria kurahunjio kiugo kia Ngai gitare gikuria gicambicure ni retere unirio gwethaga. Yes, namnya kiria ni shakingehire by the way kupata a real church you
know what is wrong with our churches now is that people are so desperate, like the wine, the pure wine has been tarnished to water. Because ire igenda kuhingura kanitha, you see reke gwire podcast eno itore korwo turauga ni mukurathimwo ni mugwika atia we will go really fast. Let me prophesy unto you.
I don't meditate mukozo merera Ngai.
If we are doing that, we will grow really fast. Now ona guko Redeemed, if we are doing that, we will grow really fast. Naona gakwera sijui pokea but everything is system. Okay, let me say this. Everything in this world operates by a law. Kindu giote kiri thino kirutaga wira na watho. Nikio riwa rita riria cererwo guthwa.
Niguo.
Indian Ocean
koeregia thonu.
Indian Ocean ndiri akira haria yukaga igacoka waves icio tides icio ciukaga igacoka. Why? There is a law that says do not go beyond here. Nikio thamaki utari wa miona igithii na maguru. There is a law that says yagirirwo guikara mai. Everything you see irema nikio itari cia hondera igatuika mikoroko. Because it is operated by a law. You are only supposed to remain a mountain.
Wala ni gwadu mathuire gwathu.
Everything is a law. So andu aria matahotaga gwathika no ithui tondu ni toheirwo kindu gitagwo one of the best thing that God gave a man, and it is the most dangerous thing I've found in this world, is free will. Kiu no kio kindu kiria kiega muno Ngai anahe mundu, na nikio giatwikire kindu kiria kiuru muno hari mundu.
Niguo
because you have the free will to do what you want. No indo ici ingĩ ciothe gutire kindu ki free will.
Niguo.
Gutire ona nyoni ndire free will. Nothing else has a free will. No mundu tu ukoragwo na free will. Na nikio mugunda-inĩ wa Edeni ri mari na choice ya kuria itunda. It was a free will. See. In a free will.
A free will.
Ngai ndangĩũkiria mahure na ibukwa it is their choice. Ngai nĩ ahete mũndũ choice.
Akafa ona njikuga na agionire no free will nĩ rama mislead academy eherie.
No we okire atiriri rekei tumbe mũndũ hana ta ithuĩ. Let us make a man like us with our own image and likeness. One, God is not under any law. So he could not have made something like him as okay make governor law. That is why a rapist would rape and go free, because he is not governed by any law in heaven. He is like God.
Na nikio gugakorwo na hingo ya judgment na ni atuhete free will.
Yes, that is where now the difference comes in. Ni atuhete free will ya gwikoria wothe tukwenda. Ingĩenda kũraga mũndũ thaa ici no njũrage na thamire Uganda na thiĩ na mbere na gũtũra ti atĩ nĩ ngũkua. Nona no rĩu nĩ hari hĩndĩ gakinya rĩrĩ tondũ ithuothe tũrĩ a Ngai rĩ tũcoke kũrĩ we. Gũtirĩ kĩndũ gĩtahanaine nake gĩkamũcokerera. That is why there will be a judgment. So
tudogi tung'ombe tunaishi hapo tukikufa.
Maandiko maugaga atĩrĩrĩ nĩ makahingĩrĩrio nja na magui. You've read that verse?
Yeah, I now understand it. By the way, wow, how to man, we work by the way, guys. How work by the way? Try the horror generational curses na to part 2. I don't remember part 1. Go pogo guys. Ako dokiro lake rora vio. Watch part 1. To do watch part 2 peke yake. Dogo koro kinyita kedo. So tumaha hogo horror wa character.
Yes.
And nitwamenya mundu ena authority hari muturire waku no uge kindu giture gikugia kana gikorwo ki blessing kuriwe.
Yes.
Character tatutaririe
na ngiteterithia njuge atiriri mundu wina authority ti kuga atiriri o mundu wa kwanyu ni kuri ciana 40 cia kuire maandiko-ini ni undu wa gutekerera Elisha ena kihara. Ni tondu wa riri Elisha ni atiitwo itura riu ari spiritual leader. It is also good to note that at a generational a curse cannot only come. Ni kuri irumi cia njera-ini. Ni kuri irumi cia njera-ini. Favored ni hari undu ungika wi bara ucamanie na mutumia mukuru akurume. Ucamanie na muthuri mukuru akurume muturire waku we mwene. Ni kuri irumi cietagwo irumi cia njera-ini. And that is why I warn our young ladies, it is dangerous to say my dress, my choice. If you want wisdom, know that it is dangerous. Ne watho wi ugwati-ini tondu no ucamanie na kirumi kia njera-ini gikunine we na kinine ruruka rwaku.
Na riu kiu kinyitaga mundu atia
kinyitaga mundu na riri ndakwira atiriri andu aria me authority-ini ri to muciari waku to uri uguciarite ni kuri andu marika mau na gia kuruku. So morally yokaga na riri ndikwenda kuingira mohoro wa okay reke njuge in layman's language niguo tutika kiati yokaga atiriri whatever is honored honor it. Kiria gite kugite. It does not matter who. If you want just to be well with you, honor what is honored.
True.
It will be well with you.
True. Wa? Nona gina nida.
Idiria kwari kwega kwari riri. Ni kwari na matatu. Riria matatu cietagwo matatu ri. Ndungiakorire mutumia mukuru anyite arugamite na hena mundu mwithe wikarite thi. What used to happen is ocio mwithe ne gukirekaga agaikara. Nowadays it does not happen.
Mathiku marauga ati akiingira ndakuonete ni jihoru.
And now that explains why our lifespan tutigekinya ya mutumia ucio. It will never get there. Whatever you despise, you will not get there. Know that if you despise my office, you will never get to it. And that is what our people need to understand. If you despise my office, na niwenda hapo ndukana kinya. Why? You despised it from the beginning. Ukiona mundu mukuru wake kumutia na ukuru wake, you will never get to her age. Na wana kinya ugatura na thina munene muno. That is the danger with our generation. Ocio nuguo gwati uri
to tamere kwanza hau uguo mulo tonduma iyo squeeze ni too much.
It is too much. It is the danger with our people. It is the danger with our generation. Tushoke twambie kurira riri ciana citu itiratuigua.
Niguo.
Twambie kuga atiriri ithuona tutiramenya turorete ku. No, it is you to expose. We are exposing ourselves to so many things that we don't know.
True.
Turerekereria turio ni maundu out of lack of knowledge, ignorance. Todo ni no demetire riri
ignorance niguo
niwe na tunina egatunina tugakorwo we are not getting to where we should be. Tutire riuri agikorwo gitonga gia kwanyu itura ndungihota gukihe gitio ri ugakimenya gutonga gwati ari
na niguo.
You despise whatever you despise, you will never get there.
We authority mundu yothe to muciari waku kana muhunjia ngina kwina irumi cia njira-ini
kwanza generation yes itiari cia Elisa ciari ihe mandiko mauga ciari ihe cia itura ciari ihe cia itura teneri tugithaka mithira guku guo ri tuihe mwarimu angiahitukire kana mundu ungi mukuru angiahitukire no mwaka tungioire mubira twambe tutige guthaka tureke ahituke na thie. In fact mwarimu angiokire ahituke twacenjagie nginya ruga tukaria githweri
kana githweri ndakaigwe ni uraria gikuyu
ni gitio kirio muhe.
Yes na kirathie ingira mwarimu karugama inyuothe.
Now look at what we have trained our people. Tarora ciana cito haria tusikinyetie riri mtoto hawezi chapwa shuleni. Akichapwa niye ndiye rucio gatengera kuojorie wewe mwalimu unachapa mtoto wangu.
Ni ukweli hau uguo ni ha miario na kirumi kiu miario hau ni twanyita mwiroreri ni wanyita haya alafu hawago hage ha character.
Yes, what we call maundu maingi twitaga generational curses daiciri ni character. It's a choice of character. Ugiciarwo kuri andu matari kiondu ungigia kio mundu wa Ngai. Ugiciarwo kuri andu matari fata wa utonga ndungigia fata wa utonga. Not unless you change. Okay, character curse is affected by three things. Character curse ni affected na maundu matatu. One, environment. Kuri wikaraga kuhana ate. Do you want to know why andu aria maturaga Islamu-ini na gugogo tondu ni ndana ikara Gibira? I've stayed in Kibra for 7 years. Gihasuku. Andu aria mana ikara Gibira ona mangitonga atia matihotaga kuma Gibira. Andu aria mana ikara Mukuru na Mathare na kuria kungi ona mangitonga atia magia na ngari cigana matihotaga kuma. Do you know why? The environment commands them to remain there. Nona egakorwo atiriri mundu ucio ni atwikire ni influence rona undu ucio kimuhanira tari watho riu agikaro muthungu augire atiriri it is very easy to remove a bushman from the bush, but it is literally hard to remove the bush out of his mind. Ni hinya muno kuruta mundu ucio
Ogithaka.
Neta kuruta mundu gicagi atari guku gwitu umutware
kuria thigũici maretwo kienyeji ame guku Nairobi maretwo kienyeji.
You get ni uritu muno, but you have to understand, okay, this is what we are terming as generational curse. No, environment. Okay, number 2, the people in the environment. Ado aria makurigiceirie ri mekaga ate ugakora oko baba wanyu ari for example akiri mundu wa tumakombe na kiri wewe mwana uria mukuru ri ugagika ate
ngirore finio nawe
agikori watumia igiri agikurerire no gikora we ukiaga kugia atumia ingi nawe no arerio ona cia
makauga gwito ni tuhikanagia atumia ingi
gwito ni tuhikagia atumia ingi na riu no ko wendo gukimuhikia urehe nyumba tondu na wairetu aria makire thiko ici matiragitikira kuikate kuhikirirwo
na ukweherera
kiria kuragia ri ni tucungwa kwena kamweru wai kwena karia kangi na guku uguo kiria riu ugakia muthuri we micii mingi nona kiu gigakorwo kiriri gikirumi no ni kirumi in terms of character. Ni kirumi ugakora atiriri mwana ucio ona mamugia ri no akamenya uria wikaga and it will be okay for them, so they will continue.
So like i character kwe uria nawe ungiona imi character sitakineza
itaisha. It is a symbol of
kire andu meigagirira tugito twekaga ngino kaliwe
ni uria gwirire atiriri ni andu meragwo atiriri gia niyo handbrake. It is very wrong. Kwanyu mutihikaga niki
ni tondu wa akana mutikaraga na athuri anyu muno moikara miaka iri mugatigana
why
ukariguo niki and by it happens, so dukoraga rimwe ugakora atiriri he muci ungikora andu acio the ni single mothers.
Mimi what
airetu othe airetu othe ni single mothers mahikite ukaigua mundu ahikite agacoka akaima
no gitweria no konyina nake ari single mother. Then ni character ya nyina menayo tikirumi menakio
Lukiu ni character.
Eyo ni character ya nyina menayo. Tikirumi. It is just the character. Todo ni hari kirumi na kirumi ne influence spiritually. Okay, kireto kirumi diko ici ne kagwerire ni kuri gia na handbrake. It is if you choose to break it, you will break it.
You break it.